Everything is fine?
Yes,
Are you excited?
yes,
Why we gather here? For the birthday bench. Are you ready with your question?
yes,
To ask your teacher? Are you ready? Okay. We are delighted to welcome our special guest, a dedicated and inspiring science teacher. She has completed her BTech and brings her technical knowledge and passion for teaching together to make science exciting and meaningful for her students. Let's give a warm welcome to her. Let's welcome Radhika ma'am. Again, I'm happy to that we are welcoming our special another guest. I'm happy to announce one more guest here. We are happy to welcome our special guest, a talented math and science teacher. She has completed her B.Ed and is passionate about guiding students to understand and enjoy learning. Let's give a warm welcome to our Rajni ma'am. Please welcome ma'am. Teachers are here. Both our friends need to speak. Third A and third B class teachers. Welcome them. Please, a big round of applause. Thank you. Are you ready?
yes,
Are you excited?
yes,
So ask the question for your teacher.
yes,
Well prepared?
yes,
Are you ready? Both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me ask the first question here. What inspired you to become a teacher after completing your BTech?
First of all, good afternoon to everyone. Thank you for choosing me as your buddy friend. Yes, ma'am asked why I chosen a teacher profession. For my parents' wish, I completed my BTech. But because of my English teacher, I want to become a good teacher for all the students.
For everyone, English teachers are inspiration. See here.
She is my best inspiration.
Next for Rajni ma'am, what inspired you to become a teacher?
Good afternoon, everyone. And my inspiration is my math teacher. He is giving very good, very lengthy problems in shortcut method. He will say. That's why I become a maths teacher.
Know about you both of you. Shall we start? Are you ready to ask your teacher question?
yes. What would you do if gravity stopped working for?
If gravity is working, stop working for one day.
If it doesn't work, what I have to do? First of all, it is a nature source now, beta. Okay. It's a natural phenomena. It doesn't stop. Our gravity is created by the nature.
No. I didn't have any pet in my house. There is no time to take care of them. There is no time to take care of them.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's your school name?
I studied in the school Nalanda Grammar High School. Nalanda Grammar High School.
Asking which school I studied or which school I am working.
You are studied.
Studying.
School you are
I
studying.
studied in Kakatiya High School, which is in Nizamabad.
If sentence could grow, how would we water them?
Growing. How can we water them?
First of all, it is a non-living thing. It doesn't grow. If it is like a living thing, it grow. First, it is grow like a plant. We can pour water it and we grow like a plant.
Very nice answer. Yes, please.
Which planet would you like to visit and why?
Which planet?
Planet.
And why?
I want to visit the Mars because it is the smallest planet in our solar system.
Very good. Shall I ask some questions for your teacher? Which subject do you enjoy more? Teaching, math or science?
Math. Absolutely math only.
Why so? What is the reason behind
Because it is an interesting subject. It has so many formulas.
Have you got the interest by teaching the math? Why not the science?
Because of my teacher only. Because of my math teacher in 10th class, his name is Pavan sir. His inspiration.
So inspired by your math teacher, you have become a math and personally you become a science here. I am going to give the choice to our students. Anybody here?
What makes you a school special in your opinion?
In a school, everything is special. We learning so many things. Comparing with the other schools, we are learning robotics, and we have an English lab, math lab, and every year we are celebrating the science fair in a good manner. That's why I love my school.
Next question from our students.
If you could take the whole school on a trip, where would you go?
We'll go to a nice waterfall.
Yes.
Yes.
The three, they have to take them to waterfall. That is a nice idea. Anybody here? From our student Aditi, please better tell me your question.
Can you share a proud moment from our school history?
Can you share a proud moment in our school history? Not for you, in our school history. A proud moment for our school.
In 23-24, our school got 10 GPA, and last year we have celebrated annual day in great manner. That is a proud moment.
Exactly, those are the very proud moments for our school history. So for this year also, for the 10 GPA and the annual day celebration. So for the rest. Next question from our student side is,
I want a movie. Which movie title you will give?
I won't think about the movies. If I write a movie, I'll name it like full of adventures. Station entered.
every life has a full of advantages in your life. Everyone has their own situations to face them in the life. So here, I expect one more question from the students. Anybody stand up please?
Why is the sky blue?
Why not other?
Why the sky blue is? It is the reflection of water. We know that our earth is covered with lot of water. 70% of water. That reflection we can see in the sky. That's why our sky looks like a blue in color.
Now, what is your favorite topic in science to teach and why?
Science is the best topic. We are
Science, what is the topic is the best and why? There are so many topics in the science related human body, plants, animals, etc. etc.
I like to teach about the plants.
Why? What reason?
Why? Because they are green and we'll see surround our no. So
Okay. You are interested in more teaching in the plant subject. Very great. From the question from the student side. Repeat again.
What is the school rule you think is very important?
What is
Not
more
like that.
many rules in our school, but in that time sense is very important. Every day we come to the school on time. And one more thing, be regular to the school. That is also very important. Every day we learn new things in the school. So we should not bunk the school, I think.
You have to be regular to school in every situation.
Your favorite thing in your school?
Conducting the exams are my favorite part in.
Difficult for us, right? That is the most difficult part in our life, right? Yes, all the students are going sit on duty. Next question.
Okay. Rahul, you have to ask.
What is your favorite color?
What's your both can answer? You both can
My favorite color is pink.
Why can answer? What about the rest?
My favorite color is sky blue.
Sky blue. Why the reason? Why you have selected sky blue? Most of the girls are interested to select the pink. Right. In the pink shade only. Why the sky blue?
No reason, but a
What is
particular
that
reason. But
for
I like
selecting the
I like
color,
sky
but you
blue.
want-
Sky blue only.
Only sky blue. Next question from the
So scared by your own science project?
I never scared about my science project, but when we conduct the science fair in our school, I scared about all the projects, how it goes.
Exactly. You have to understand your what members for the students and each one you have to call and make them to prepare the science project. You know? So that is the most scariest
Scary and very-
while doing the science job. Are you ready now? The topic easier for students to understand. You can both answer for this question. How do you make difficult topics easier to understand your students?
First in math, I will go to the analyze method. If it is not understand, I will go to the module of the question, module of the topic, and explain that one. For example, it is a cuboid. I will show the one box and I will make it the sides.
Science subject. You are taking IIT science also.
Yes, in science subject we go for the labs. In labs we have so many modules are there. Because of that, we can get the topic easily
By seeing the
by seeing
practical work.
practical work.
Exactly. What about now?
It's right. Nowadays we all have, we know that in our school we have a digital boards. Okay.
Yes.
If we any topic by not only by the listening, by the seeing, we can understand easily. So we can go through the real images, and with the digi classes, it makes easy to you understand.
Very nice answer. Anybody from the school side? Nikshita.
What qualities make a student successfully in our school?
What
What qualities make a student successfully in our school?
What quantities good students make the successful in our school, especially in our school?
We know that our school motto is hard work is equals to success. For we everyone in our school, we have to stick on to that word.
Exactly. There is a one more special thing that no schools are following. That's slogan. It will make us in the discipline manner, and we will be in the discipline. Next question, science topic.
Already I said no, but I
Actually,
like the
Rohita answered already the plan. Then Radhana, can you tell me what is the favorite?
My favorite topic is algebra.
in
In
math.
the science, I'm asking in the science, not in the math.
In the science, so many topics are there, but I like plants and human body, about human body.
He is interested in teach the human body. Next question is the nine. When did you
First join in this
school?
this school or
In this,
When you joined this school? When you
I joined in this school in 2021. It's
from
my
past 4 years she is speaking here. What about you, ma'am?
I joined in the school in 2023.
Then one more question here from the students.
From the
Dikshita.
Rubber or backbench in the school life?
Very interesting question both of them. Are you topper and
And the average student, Nana. And the average student, not the topper, not the backbencher.
what about you, ma'am?
I too. I am not a topper.
Very good. They are the average students, but they are teaching now to become you toppers. Here, next question.
Who is your best friend in the school?
Who is your best friend? Best buddies in the school.
In this school or in my school?
In this school, not in your school.
All my colleagues are my friends only. I treated like a friend. Every teacher is my friend.
Same.
Very good
Especially
answer.
Divya madam is my favorite.
She's in charge.
That's the reason she has become a friendly for everyone. He has to be friendly for everyone. One more. Who is your favorite student?
Our students are equal. All are my favorite students only.
You all are my
All are
kids
my
only,
kids,
na.
sir.
Everyone is my favorite, and I am the class teacher for you. You all are my kids.
Well expected answer. What was your favorite subject in your school? When you are in the school, what is your favorite subject? When you are school.
My favorite is math, and my scary subject is Hindi.
What about Radhina?
My favorite subject is math.
Absolutely not. They are both interested into math, but turned into the science teachers. Next question.
Which school do you enjoy the most?
Which school you have enjoyed more?
Obviously, in our school, we celebrated so
They
many
are asking
occasions.
in our school or in
Teaching you have shuffled very much schools, right? In
Okay.
which school you have enjoyed? Like
In our
which
school only.
or else another schools.
in our school only I enjoyed a lot.
Why? Because what is the difference between other schools and our?
Because so many celebrations are there in school. In this school, every festival we are celebrating great manner. That is the reason I.
The special.
Very dedicatedly, we are using all the resources which our madam provided. That's why we like
We
it.
are supposed to thanks to our principal ma'am. Next question.
Arjun.
Chandika.
What experiment you had enjoyed in your class?
Which is
Not an experiment. Conducting oral test or STs are very. I enjoyed a lot.
Same thing.
Because
seeing Prabhu, they are enjoying your Prabhu. I think so.
not like because I'm testing my skills. How I explained you how my subject reaches to you.
Now, what about you?
Same.
Same
I
as
said,
you.
I said no, already I said.
Exactly. Shall I ask one more question from you?
No.
What advice would you give students who want to pursue a career in science or engineering? You have done the BTech and you have came teaching field by teaching the science. If you are tell to your students which subject you will be there. If you are science or engineering, what is the most?
Exactly, I completed my engineering, but I am the science teacher here. So I encourage the science only.
What advice would you give students to improve in math and science?
If you are interested in any subject, you go through that one. No inspiration.
What advice you will give if they have to improve in the science and math? If they are dull in the math subject, science subject, so and so, what the improvements you have to give? What advice you will do?
Math, I go for the practical way and do practice. You have to do the more problems and do the more practice. Then you get the problem easy. By taking, by practicing more problems and by practical way. For example, if it is in addition, if you take some sticks, some beads, in abacus we have the abacus scale beads. By using them, we are counting the beads and we are reading the additions. That is easy to.
That is so nice by doing the practical in every subject. And if you have interest in every subject, you will improve a lot. Next question from our student side. Aruhi.
If you could any animal for a day, which one would you be?
Which animal you will choose?
I'll choose a dog.
Why?
It is very faithful animal and a very likely pet animal.
Nice. Huh?
I like to choose a cow
Why so?
because we can.
It is a devotional animal.
It is a devotional. We are worshipping that animal.
She want to worship by all the teachers. That's the reason.
It is a symbol of
She have to become a cow for a day. Any questions here from the student side?
Yes, I have. I have a brother, elder brother.
Why do you choose all science subjects?
Use only science subject for teaching, not other subjects.
I'm very interested about the natural things, about the nature I want to learn. So I chosen science subject to teach.
Very good. Next.
My best friend is Roja. She is my schoolmate, she is my college mate, and she is my in degree college also.
Do you visit any places for learning science?
Have you visited any place?
Yes, I visit Salarjung Museum. I visit that one, and Botanical Garden also I visit in Bangalore Botanical Garden.
Very informative places, those are. If you are free, you can go also with your parents.
Favorite food?
Exactly. What is your favorite food? For both of them. Very interesting topic, right?
I like all the food items, but my favorite is biryani.
How many members are biryani lovers here? Exactly.
I like all the foods, but I like sweet.
Well, what type of sweets do you like? There are so many.
I ate more sweets, but I like gulab jamun, kala jamun.
Well done. Next question from my side for Vikram. How does technology help in learning science better? In better way?
Yes.
How is, technology is helping us.
Comparing with our studies nowadays, we have lot of equipments like AIs and so many apps, digital boards, labs, everything we have to learn in this generation.
Next question for the Rajna. How students develop more interest in learning? How can they develop?
How can they place means we for every topic we are taking, we go to the practical way by saying, for example, we go to the plants, about plants. We go to the park. I think in a practical way, we have so many plants in our school also. We go to the plant and we will explain that one. This is a root, this is a leaf, these are stems, how the photosynthesis forming. You can say by practical way.
Practical method, by seeing the methods in your life, we can learn more interesting and we can get more interesting in such a subject and topic. Any more questions from our students?
Can you tell one funny science fact?
Can you
It's
tell us?
it's not a funny science fact, but making the colors, adding the two colors and getting the new color, it is very interesting, and we learn something new from it.
Exactly. What's your favorite flower?
My
as a
favorite
science
flower?
teacher?
Absolutely,
Absolutely
rose.
rose. Red rose.
For the both the teachers.
Now it is time, not a good time to discuss about my ambition. Now I am a teacher. I want to become a good teacher and the best teacher.
That's good.
My school, my ambition is a engineer, software, teaching here, but I
Thank you, ma'am, for here. What is your opinion on this program and how you feel it? How your thoughts are running in your mind right now?
Thank you so much for choosing me, and I enjoyed a lot. And now I revise my school memories, and I know what are my favorite things.
am feeling happy, very happy, because I'm feeling very happy. I'm proud to am becoming here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us today and sharing your valuable thoughts. Your words have truly inspired us to explore and learn more about science with curiosities and enthusiasm. We are grateful for your time and presence. Thank you.
Hey, come. Slowly. Always be happy. Be positive. Nice, nice, sister. డైరీ వెళ్తున్నా డైరీ ఇచ్చేసిన సైన్ ఒకటి చేస్తాను వాట్ యూ రైట్
నేను రాసుకోండి, యాడ్ చేసుకోండి. మా ఫేవరెట్ టీచర్ ఇస్ మై విద్యా మేడం.